Good morning, I'm Roger Duffy with MarineMax Sail and Ski, Austin location. I'm here with our team, Saidi Johnson, James Johnson, and Tommy Myers, and we're going to share with you the top things that we love about this 2019 Sea Ray SDX 290. I'll start. The top thing that I love about this boat is these lounge seats. To me, they're the most comfortable seat in the house. You can sit here and watch people swim, hang out. It's a great place to read a book or just relax. Si, you're up. What do you think?
On the SDX model, especially the 290, I like all the spacing that's for seating that's in here. I like the galley. It's got a nice galley on board and plenty of space for everybody to lounge and hang out. Jay?
One of my favorite things is the 9-inch Simrad screen, multifunction color LCD, and it gives you all the information you need from your engines, the bottom configuration, things like that. And I really do like the snap-in, snap-out Seadek flooring that was on this boat. Tommy.
So one of my favorite things on this boat is the bow of the SDX 290. One thing that's really nice, it's nice and wide, so you've got lots of room for people sitting all the way around and not having your feet on top of each other. On top of that, you've got an anchor windlass on this boat, so when you are hanging out on the aft seats, anchored off, swimming, you can easily anchor your boat with ease, no problem. This is just a really roomy, great feature on this boat.
Thanks for watching our video. Come see us at MarineMax Sail and Ski, Austin location. We can make you a great deal on this boat and see you on the water. I hope you find these walkthroughs to be helpful. If you need any additional information, please call me, Roger Duffy, at 512-750-8169. We'll see you on the water.